You know, everyone knows what latency is. If I have a cold and you're exposed to me, 2 or 3 or 4 days later, you may get a cold. The latency for a cold is only 2 or 3 or 4 days. Unfortunately, for asbestos-related diseases, the latency between the time you breathe asbestos and the time you manifest a disease or you're diagnosed with a disease is 20, 30, 40, even 50 years after the exposure occurs. This is why people use these products for so long, because they never had any idea at the time they were using these products, breathing the dust, that the dust was hurting them in any way, because it would be 20, 30, 40 years before the effects of breathing that dust caused them to develop a disabling or a deadly disease or deadly cancer.